Hi guys, today I have a program. Write a program to take input and calculate the average of elements in an array. So I have to take input an array and after that adding the each element, sum of each element divided by the total number of elements, we can find the average. So try to solve that. Now to code I open Blogy. Now here first of all I import the scanner class because it will be need import java util scanner. Sorry, it will be not util scanner. Not. I'm taking any class name for that. So we find average. So class find average avj. Now to write code, I have to take one method void main. I have taken here main method. Now first of all, I will create a scanner class object. Scanner sp scanner system.in. After that, I will take this to declare array. First of all, I ask user the how many elements you want to add in array. So ask the number of element in array. To do that, first I will display message sum dot out dot print enter the element of array. Sorry, enter the number of element. Enter the number of in array. Now I will take a variable int n. Here we will put which user given the input. So I will write I to take input we will use the next in method of a scanner class. So I have to take object of scanner class sc dot next int. Now I have taken input size. So I am declaring a array int a. Name of the array is arr. I am writing here arr array new int square bracket size. Here I have to mention size. Then what is the size of this? One second. Size is n, so I will write here n. Now we will write I have here declared array of size n. Now we will start input in the array. To take input array, I will use for loop for int I equals to 0, int I assign 0. It will start from 0 and I is less than, we can write here length of array. That means arr dot length and I plus plus. You can also write size, but as you want, here you can write n, where I written arr dot length. Both are same thing. So here I am making block of for. So in the for block, I will use a of I, assign assign st dot next int. That means here what will be happened, for each iteration one value. Sorry, here I have to write arr. I have taken name of the array is arr. For each iteration one value from the keyboard filled in the array. So here are iteration goes from 0 to less than size. That means all elements one by one from keyboard and fill in the array. Sorry, here I have display a message. Enter the element of the array. 10 dot out dot print ln enter n element n numbers. Now it is good. After that, I will add each element in a variable sum, and it will be divided by n. So we will get the average. So to doing calculation of sum, I will take another loop for, it will be also from I, int I start from 0 and I is less than n I plus plus. Now we can write n or length array dot length, also we can write both. So in this loop I have written n. Now before the loop outside, here I am taking a variable sum assign 0. Now here I will put sum assign sum plus a of I. Sorry, a of I, not arr, name of the variable. So when it this loop executed, then all element one by one add in the sum variable. Now we can find average. Here I am calculating average. We know that average is sum of element and divide by total number of element. So average may be floating point, mm, heavy decimal. So I will write that I will take another data type double. I will write double avg for average. Assign sum divide by n. But here is a logical mistake because when I divide integer value to integer value, it will also given got I will got integer value. So we will miss the floating value. So avoid that type of error. I will write typecast this. Any of those numbers I will typecast in double. So I am typecasting some variable double when I divide some with 7 is sum is double type and n is in type, it will also give the double data type in the result. Now we can display the message sum of system dot out dot print ln the the sum of each element of array is sum. This is our complete program. Now I am executing the program. Our program is successfully compiled and now trying to run here. I am creating instance now running main method. Enter the number of element. So I want to take 4 elements here. Enter the number of. I am giving the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 numbers. When I add it, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 10. It will be 10. Correct. Output is correct. Now here enter n numbers. I will put n in not in the string. I will write here. I will close the string to make correct, and here also I will take another string. Now it will display appropriate messages. I hope you will understood this program. Thank you.